Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert Lovable website into app. To begin, open Lovable and make sure you are on the main dashboard. This is where your projects are organized and where you can quickly access the website you want to turn into an app. If you have multiple projects, taking a moment to confirm you are in the right workspace can help avoid copying the wrong link later. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on All Projects. This will open the full list of projects available in your Lovable account. The goal here is to locate the specific website project you want to use for the app conversion process. Next, click on your sample website project from the project list. Once the project opens, you should be able to view its main page and identify the website address associated with it. This step is important because the app builder will need the live website URL in order to load your content properly. Now copy the URL at the top of the page. Make sure you copy the full address exactly as it appears. This link acts as the source for your future app, so accuracy matters here. A quick tip is to double check that the URL is complete before moving on, especially if you are copying it manually. After that, switch over to Median and look for the left side navigation menu. Click on Apps. This section is where you can create and manage app projects based on existing websites. Once you are there, you should see a place to begin setting up a new app. Paste the copied URL into the appropriate field. This tells the platform which website it should use as the foundation of the app. Be careful not to add extra spaces before or after the link, since that can sometimes cause issues when the site is being processed. Once the URL is in place, enter a sample name for your app. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it is easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple app versions or test builds. The app name is typically used as a label during setup, so keeping it simple is a good idea. When everything looks correct, click Start Building My App. This begins the app creation process using the website URL you provided. After this point, the platform will start preparing your website to function as an app. That's it. You've taken your Lovable website and started the process of converting it into an app using Median.